I'm Martin Buckle, Managing Director of Atlantic Timber in Altrincham. The main benefits of interacting with the innovation team at Trafford College have been they've helped us point us in the right direction for various bits of funding or support, and it was the innovation team that helped us put the grant application together for the CNC machine. Well, we're a really old-fashioned sort of business, so our processes were pretty outdated. We were heavily paper-based. We only went computerised in 2014. We had a sort of a long way to go really to bring ourselves into the 21st century. Going computerised was the first step in that, and AI is kind of following on that journey, just sort of kind of automating things, making us more efficient. Well, the impact this machine's had, it's allowed us to offer much wider services to our customers, much more intricate jobs, things that we would normally they'd have to make, the joiner would have to make themselves or perhaps go elsewhere for. We can now do it all in-house, so we can supply them with the material, do the machining, really sort of intricate machine that they can then go and install a job at a customer's house. As part of the Altrincham Sale Chamber of Commerce Awards last year, we won the Innovation and Technology Award. And I think that's because we're always looking for new machinery, new technology that allow us to do what we do better, more efficiently, quicker. So that award rewarded us for what we've done. We're trying to get the most up-to-date machinery that we can to allow us to do really high-end, high-quality machining. My advice to any other business wanting to start their AI journey would be to make contact with the innovation team, take advantage of all the advice they give you, and act on it. And I think that's what we've done well. Any support that's been offered to us, we've accepted it. We've grabbed it with both hands, and I think that's important. Businesses that get on board with AI and innovate are going to be ahead of the competition.